Hi, hello friends. My name is Venkat, Director of nivihrservice. Today I am going to summarize payroll concepts. Payroll. Payroll refer to the payment of employee by their employer. Payroll, country to country, it may vary. Every country have separate payroll calculation method and policies related to labor. US payroll, UK payroll, Indian payroll, Dubai payroll. These are a separate segment of payrolls, and their concept will be different. Every organization payroll playing an important role. Yes, normally if any of your employees getting short payment, it will create labor issues. CO to full stop. Salary is the important one. So payroll is a vital part of the organization. As you know, so many strikes happen due to pay cuts and layoff. If we did a payroll correctly, we can avoid layoff and so other things. It's a auditable one. Yes, every year and companies doing internal audit to check accuracy of their payments. PF, EAC, tax department will check our payroll records for audit purpose. If record not clear, they will make penalty and charges. Now we can see what are the factors that influencing payroll. Organization management policies. Every organization must have separate leave policy, pay structure, incentive plan, efficiency-based payment, and pay cut. Minimum wages. Employer must follow minimum salary as prescribed by the government. Minimum wages, every state to state, industry to industry, it may change. Social Security Department. E- Everyone know PF, EAC slab rate and their policies. It will change to time. Tax as prescribed by the tax department. Pay cycle period. All the organizations have separate pay cycle period. Some of the companies following 20 to 20, some of the companies following 1 to 30, some of the companies following 26 to 25. Payroll process. Payroll process contains two parts. One is pre-payroll and another one is post-payroll. Pre-payroll process. Attendance collection. We have to confirm the attendance, checking above the attendance, collecting the attendance from the stipulated time. It may be biometric, manual, or mail, but we must collect the attendance in the stipulated time. Leave management. We have to collect the leave approval letters from verticals. However, department HOD may approve the excess leave or without support document. Being a HR, we must be strong on the leave policies. We can reject the leave letters also if it is not applicable. That means we need to maintain leave track of the employees. That means payroll team must track the leave of employees. Employee master. It's the employee salary detail like employee demographic, fixed salary, transfer, increment, cost center, everything is a employee master. Inactive employees, that means resigned employees, absconded employees, they are all called as inactive employees. New joiners input, new joiners details. Normally, this will come from recruitment department. So, overall joined during the payroll period, their input will come from recruitment team. Being a HR, we must check the new joiners document so that we can avoid the malpractices and fake employee also. Other inputs is like allowance, directions. Other inputs that means the out of the fixed salary, some companies following the variable like the food allowances, incentive directions, travel allowances. So these are the organization decision. Organization decision me during the payroll organizations should some other percentage pay cut and all will come the organization decision based payroll payroll MIS. Yes, all the payroll department must follow the payroll MIS. PF ESIC report. Yes, PF ESIC reports. PF ESIC reports are mandatory. Attendance reports. Yes, attendance reports it's also mandatory one. Attendance register. It's auditable document. Attendance register you have to maintain. Salary register. Yes, salary register, wage register, pay register. It's forms we need to maintain. Pay slips. Yes, after the payroll, we have to issue the pay slip to all the employees. HR costs related to analysis report. Yes, for cost control, normally we use this method. For Kamba and all, we can arrest during this cost control analysis through. So, payroll contains two types of parts. One is the earning and one is the direction. Earning part is the basic. Basic normally most of the companies now they throw out TA. That means TNS are on, so that I'm used only basics. Normally basic as per minimum wage act, it follow as per minimum wage act. HRA. HRA is the 40% of basic. In metro cities it's a 50. In non-metro cities it's a 40%. Convenience allowance. Convenience allowance are following medical allowance, special allowance, food allowance, other allowance. I I actually I listed very less only, but there is a large of allowance will be there and special allowance. Okay, direction part as PF 12%, ESAC 0.75%, TDS as per government norms. Other directions, P-tax state to city wise slab will be changed. Even Chennai will be different, West Bengal will be different, non-metro area will be different. So these are the directions. I just figure out the basic calculation method. Number of days present slash number of days in a month, the fixed grass. Net salary equal to earned grass minus deductions. Example, present days in a May month, 30 days, and its fixed grass is 12,000. So grass 12,000 divided by 31. May month will be 31 days, so I use 31. Into 30 days, he present only 30 days. So amount will be 11613. Deduction, PF 12 percentage, double 116, 12 percentage, 1394, EACC 0.75 to be 84. So total deduction I calculated 1394, 87, 1481. Net salary, so gross salary minus total deduction. So amount will be 10132. So friends, I just figure out the normal basics calculation method. Usually I'm not used to Excel and everything. Next video surely will upload the things. Okay. Payroll, important to consider. Every payroll department people must contain important things. Dual validation. If we did a payroll, we need to check dual validations. We may use separate logics. We may use separate validation method, but it makes error-free reports. Yes, approvals. Hmm. Without approvals, we cannot process single things. So, being a HR and being a payroll manager, we must follow the approvals. Without approvals, don't process the payrolls. Even single days you cannot process. Avoid no manual consideration. Avoid manual consideration. Yes, don't consider manual attendance and all. If a company going with 100% biometric, so to you cannot tolerate 0.01 percentage manual attendance. You also go with a biometric. Don't allow the no manual concentration. Okay, pending tracker. So every month you have made some mistakes. So we need to maintain the pending trackers on this because if Ramu get a 500 rupees less, that means in orally we recorded. That means that's nothing use on this. So we need to maintain the arm of 500 next month we have to add. Like that we need to narrations and we need to maintain the pending tracker. It will be the very easiest to bank accounts. Yes. Yeah friends. Bank accounts is the important one because most of the companies creating fake employees and fake accounts. So we need to validate the bank accounts. Okay, my intention to you must create the corporate accounts. Don't entertain as the individual accounts. Analytical thinking, yes, analytical thinking is very important for payroll because logic and calculation only the payroll. Friends. Thank you all. Thank you for supporting. Surely I summarize very less payroll only. Next time, surely I will update more. You just send your mail IDs. If any doubt or anything, you need any format like this, surely I will support you. Thanks, friends. Bye.